everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing 2 gift baskets for 2 employees at work. I am the one that does this for them. I've been doing it. This is actually my first year doing it. I already did it for 3 people. So now these are my 2 last ones. I do this out of my pocket. I just do it to make their day a little bit special. So I'm going to show you the items that I'm going to be using for both baskets. And I wasted maybe less than $30, and I bought the items in several locations. I went to the Dollar Tree, I went to Target, Five Below, stores I went to. I am going to be using 2 different baskets. One of the girls, I do know her very well because she works in my shift, and the other girl, I really don't know her. I just see her in passing. So for her, I'm gonna do a little bit more of a basic basket because I really don't know what she likes, and I don't want to give her something that she doesn't enjoy and not gonna end up using it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using all the items or not, but I will show you what I do. So for the baskets, I ended up buying this one for one of the girls. I bought this one at the Dollar Tree. I just wanted a small basket to fill it up, not a big one. Then I bought this bucket for one of the other girls at the Dollar Tree as well, so I'm gonna fill this one up. I also have some baggies that I got from Bath and Body. So I got 2 baggies. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them with the ribbon. They were for free. They're very like unicorn, and you can add some confetti inside and put the items. That looks so cute. Then I bought 2 things of tissue at the Dollar Tree for $1. I'm gonna be using this to put inside the baskets to lift up the items up. So I got that. And then I got this cute little bows at the Dollar Tree as well. I thought they were so pretty. They don't look cheap at all. They're really beautiful. I like the color, so I got those. And then I got this little pouch. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all the items, so I just got random things. If I don't use the items, I always save them for someone else's birthday. So I have like a little bag where I keep all the stuff. I got this one at Target at the dollar spot. I believe it was like $2. So I got that one. I thought it was a pretty purple little pouch. Then I got this and that one at Bath and Body. They were about $3 each. I got them on special, so I got those. I got that little selfie light. It's like a tiny white one. It's really cute. Give you the instruction on the back at Five Below for $5. I got that there. I got this lip gloss for one of the girls. She loves wearing nudes. So I got this one at Target. This one was on clearance for I think $2 or $3. Usually they were $8. I got her one too. That's why, like I said in my other gift basket ideas, always look in the aisles and see if you can find items. It's a thing. And then this ones were $1.50. It's some socks and the little lotions for your feet. It's vanilla macaroon. This one's I got it at Target. These are beautiful. They're really nice. I don't know if you can see them. They're like really soft and fluffy socks. You can touch them in there. I got these for I think $1.50 at Target a while back ago. Right after Christmas, I went to go check their clearance area. They were usually $6.50. I got this makeup brush cleaner at I believe the Dollar Tree. This is really cute. It's to clean up your makeup brushes. And then I got this face mask at Target for 50 cents, you guys. I got this right after Christmas as well. When I got this item, I got this one for 50 cents. I should have gotten a few more, but I didn't. But I got this one for one of the girls. And then I got makeup removing wipes. So I got this at the dollar section, not in when you enter Target, but all the way to the back where they have like the little travel things. I found this one's for $1, you guys. This is a great deal, $1. And then we have cubbies, so I am decorating the cubbies too. I wanted to keep it simple because the other 2 girls, I went a little bit too much. So I got her this. I'm expanded for one of the girls. It's like a little ring. It says happy birthday, and then I'll put her gift on the side. And then for the other girl, I got her this big sign that says let's party. And then I'm just gonna clip it in her cubby. And then I got her this little crown for the other girl too that says happy birthday. I think this was so cute. I got this, and that at the Dollar Tree. And then I got this one at the Dollar Tree as well. It's like little confetti that I'm gonna be putting inside this little baggies right here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it yet, but if I do, that's my plan. I like putting this inside this little baggies, and then whatever items I like to put it inside. I feel like it looks so cute. It doesn't look cheap. It elevates your gift really nicely. And then for snacks, said one of the girls, I know her very well, and she loves hot Cheetos. Anything hot Cheeto flavor, she loves it. This is her favorite chip. So I got her some of this. I got all of this at Fry's. Sorry guys, I forgot that I went to Fry's as well. It's a grocery store. So I got her this hot Cheetos. Those are her favorite. I've never seen her eat these. I believe these are new. So I got her those. This were, I think, $2. This one's are on special for $1.50. So $2, $1.50, and this one's were special for $2 too. It's flaming hot popcorn. I saw her eating one of this one day and she gave me some. This is so good, you guys. So I bought that for her. And then for the other girl, I bought all of these at the Dollar Tree. So I bought her this granola bars, Cheez-Its, Pringles, and then I bought these at Fry's. So it's Doritos. I'm putting that in her gift basket. And I also got her a cookie. This one I bought it at Fry's. These items obviously were $1. They were from the Dollar Tree. The bag of chips was like $1.50 at Fry's, and this cookie was a little bit expensive. It was like $3. These are good cookies if you're trying to eat a cookie but not eat like all the sugar. These cookies are a little bit better. I tried them before. My daughter loves them, and this one's the birthday cake cookie. So you can never go wrong with snacks. And that's what I got. So I'm gonna be arranging the baskets and see what I add and what I don't add. So I'm gonna be showing you how I do that. So like I did in my other gift basket that I did for the baby shower, I am gonna open up the tissue, crumble it, and stick it inside on both of the baskets, arrange it nicely, and make sure that you guys take all the tags off. Like this little basket has a tag. Take the tag off. If it has any tags like on the bottom, make sure you take those out. Like this one did, I took it off. And if you do end up getting something in clearance, you guys, make sure you guys take the sticker off. To me, a lot of people say, oh, if you buy clearance, you're being cheap. To me, no. Sometimes they put things on clearance because they're not selling, or they're trying to bring like new merchandise and they need to get rid of the stuff. So if you get stuff in clearance, don't feel like you're being cheap. Or if you get some stuff in the Dollar Tree, don't feel like you're being cheap, because I mix it up. Or imagine that I did get everything at the Dollar Tree. To me, if it comes out of your pocket, out of love, you know, for that person, or you're just trying to do something nice, it doesn't really matter, if it makes sense. So this is how my baskets look, stuffed with the little paper tissue. This is the other one. Also, one thing that I try my hardest to do is coordinate the colors. I try to buy like a lot of things the same colors. I try. Like for example, this girl, I'm gonna be doing like red stuff. Besides this, I got orange and the pink cookie, but most of the items are red. And for the other girl, most of the items are like a pink, purple color. So for her basket, that's why I got a white one, because the items are like white, pink, nude colors. And the tissue, I got it pink, you know, blues that match the color. And for her, this brown basket with the red, and then the red tissue looks real nice. It elevates your gift a little bit more, so I do recommend that as well. So this is how they look. This is a big tub, you guys, but because I'm giving her those big bags of chips, I needed something big to carry it. And for her, well, the chips are smaller, so I really didn't need a big item. So I'm gonna start rearranging the chips around. I have no idea how I'm gonna fit all the chips. Hopefully it fits. If not, I'm gonna have to remove one and just give her two. So we'll see how it goes. I'll show you how. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna start with the little one. I'm gonna start with hers first, and I'm gonna be rearranging the little chips around and see how they look. Okay, I'll show you. So this is while rearranging all the items around. This is how the first basket looks. I put all the bigger items on the back, and then I rearranged the smaller items on the front. And I didn't end up using the bag. I just put the little soap like that. And I went on to look at my stash of like gift bags and all of that I have, and I found this red bow. So I'm just gonna stick it in there. So basically this basket was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe like 10, like $12 in total for this cute little basket. Right now I'm adding the bow and it's a little bit loose. I don't know if you see that. I'm gonna go ahead and use these double stick tapes and I'm gonna put it on the back so that the bow can secure and it won't be falling off. Now I'm gonna start rearranging my other co-worker's basket. I don't think I'm using the big popcorn. This one I'm not gonna use it because I don't think I have room. So I'm gonna do the same thing. My items, my bigger items on the back and my smaller items on the front. I'm gonna be rearranging them. That's the thing about this basket, is that you have to start moving things around and filling in the gaps. So the items for this basket were not as lifted as I like them to be. So what I did is I removed them and added more tissue to give that lifted vibe. So that's what I did different on this basket, is that I added that. So for this basket, I'm running out of items and I still have like this caps around here. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna end up using one of this Bath and Body Works bags. So what I do is I get some of this little thing. Let's see how this is looking. And I grab it and I add it in here. And that's how it looks with the little confetti. I filled up the bag with like half of the bag with that little fluffy stuff. So in here I'm gonna be adding some of the items. I'm gonna add this inside, this lip gloss, and I think I'm gonna lift this outside, yeah, and the soap. I'm gonna lift it in there. This little bag, I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna save it for another basket for someone else's birthday. So I'll show you how that looks at the end. And then at the end for this one, I'm gonna tie it up in a bow and I'll show you how it looks. Hugs it. You see how cute it looks? It doesn't look, to me, it doesn't look tacky. It looks really pretty. She's really girly, so that's why I bought her that crown. There, that's how hers looks. I think it looks so cute. Basket. So that's what I'm gonna be putting in her cubby. And then, like I said, I'm gonna put this happy birthday like maybe on the side like that in her cubby, and then the basket in the front. So that's my plan. And then here's another look at the other basket. It looks really pretty as well. Came out really nicely. Look at that. So pretty. I love them. Really cute. So to all my family that is watching my channel, whenever it's your guys' birthday, make sure you guys tell me or comment below and tell me when it's your birthday, and I will give you, si Dios quiere, and I have the funds and I'm Gucci on money, like I will make you a gift basket. Just make sure you remind me and leave me your birthday on the comments below, and I will do something like this for you guys. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video of how to make this basket. Hopefully my little suggestions is helpful to you guys. I love birthdays, not my birthday, but I love everyone else's birthdays. So, and then I'm gonna be doing more videos. I'm gonna try to keep up with my videos and my uploads. I don't have a lot of subscribers. I should do it because it's fun to me, and it gives me something to do. So in the next few videos, I'm gonna be buying items to do little gift bags for Valentine's Day for Alia's class. Those little bags. So she's gonna be helping me do that. So I will show you how I stay on a budget and how I make those goodie bags. Si Dios quiere. I'm gonna be having surgery in the next few weeks, so hopefully everything goes well and I have like the strength to do this stuff. So we'll see. Send your good vibes over to me. I am having my surgery on Valentine's Day, so hopefully I can do videos before then. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like my video.